Welcome to Chisholm Trail 61. Today we're going to be doing a real easy breakfast dish. It can feed 5, 6, 7 people. It's quick. If you got a crowd to feed on a Christmas morning or a holiday morning or just a regular Saturday or Sunday morning, whatever day you want to fix it. But it's called a Breakfast Bundt Cake. And I'm going to show you how to fix that coming up right now. Okay, ingredients we're going to need today. You see, I got 12 eggs in this big bowl here, and I'm going to put me some salt and pepper in them. And the salt and pepper did however much you want in there. I like quite a bit of salt and pepper in mine. And we got to remember, we got 12 eggs there. I'm just going to beat them 12 eggs with that salt and pepper mixed in with them. Get them beat up good. We're going to add 1/4 cup of milk. And stir that around a little bit. We're going to add 1 pound of brown sausage. You can use whatever sausage you like. It's just been browned and drained. Get that in there so it don't splash all over me. And like I said, that's 1 pound of sausage. Going to just mix it up in there well. Trying to hold that where y'all can see it there. I have 2 cups of cheese. I'm using the mild cheddar. You can use whatever cheese you like. It has to be shredded though. You can shred it yourself or you can buy it already shredded. Gonna mix that in. We got a can of Grand's biscuits here. And little tip, take your scissors and cut your biscuits. It'll make it a whole lot easier. We're just gonna quarter these and drop these in. It's better than trying to cut them with a knife if you'll take a pair of scissors and just clip your biscuits with that. Make it a whole lot simpler on you. And like I said, this feeds anywhere from 5 to 8 people. Around my house, it'd probably feed about 4. We like to eat. I know there's some of y'all out there that way too, though. Anybody that don't like to eat, don't like to live. That's the way I look at it. Make me want to eat before I ever get it ready. It's getting a little late in the morning. We hadn't had breakfast yet, so I'm really wanting to get this done so that I can eat. I hadn't eaten this morning. You see how I'm cutting them biscuits over them scissors? That just makes it so much easier than trying to cut them with a knife. And I'm just quartering them. Like I said, that's a 8-count can of the Grand's biscuits. Now, I'm probably going to need to get me a spoon now to stir that with. I'm going to just stir them in real good. You can see why I had a big bowl there now. We want to get it all mixed in good. And then we got 2 cups of frozen tater tots. And you do want your tater tots to stay frozen when they go in. And we're going to stir them in. Our breakfast bundt cake. It's really a simple recipe, but a great recipe. Around my house, we like potato tots. We like sausage. We like biscuits. If you watch my videos, you know I like biscuits. I got, 3, 4, 5 videos on how to make different types of biscuits out there. If you hadn't seen them, you need to go back and watch some of them. Because I got one on mayonnaise biscuits, one on Justin Wilson's buttermilk biscuits, 2-ingredient biscuit. I don't know what all I do have, to be honest with you, but I got more of them yet that I'm going to do. We get that all mixed up. What we want to do, we got a bundt pan here. It's been greased really well. We're just going to take and get this over in our bundt pan. We're going to try to get it in there without spilling it everywhere. Just want to sort of put it around your bundt pan evenly there. Get it into your bundt pan. Spread out evenly. And usually I wind up dropping some down that little hole there in the middle of it right there, but I'm trying not to do that today. If I don't, it'd be the first time I think I've ever done used a bundt pan that I didn't do that. Like I said, our bundt pan is greased really well. I sprayed it with cooking spray really, really well because we want it to be able to come out whenever we get it done. And we're just going to sort of mash it down a little bit there to even it out, get it evened out some. We got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to put this in the oven and we're going to let it bake at 400 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes. And we'll bring you back whenever it comes out of the oven. Okay, we got our breakfast bundt cake out of the oven here. We let it cook for about 45 minutes in the oven there. And so it's cooled down enough. It's still hot, but we can handle it with our hands. But you can actually make this, we use sausage, but you can actually make it with bacon, ham, or whatever you want to. We're going to just dump it out of our bundt cake pan here. Oh yeah. You can see our eggs are done, our sausage is done, biscuits are done. We're going to cut a piece and we're going to do us a little taste test here. She still is smoking though. She's still hot. I'm going to cut me a little piece here so I'll show you what it tastes like here. Give me a place to lay that knife down. Let's see, can we ease this piece up out of here without tearing everything up? Oh yeah, look at there. See it, how done it is there? Everything done good. Done all the way around. I'm going to lay that down. And we're going to taste us a piece of it. Man, that looks good. Cut me off a good bite here. Man, that flavor hits your tongue. That is just really good. That's the only way to explain that. The sausage, eggs, the bread, it all just blends right together and falls right in place, it seems like. That is a really good breakfast item. Real simple to fix, real simple to cook. Y'all try this. You won't be disappointed. I promise you. You will be amazed. We'd like to thank all of you for watching our videos. We appreciate those of you that do. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you would. Share, comment on our video. Let us know what you think about our breakfast bundt cake here. Like I said, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate those that do. We appreciate all of you that take time out of your day to watch our videos. We're going to wrap this up, eat us some breakfast bundt cake, and we'll see y'all on the next one.